Welcome to another DK Custom Products video. My name is Kevin, this is Dwayne, and today we have an exciting announcement.
It's that time of year again where we announce the DK Open House. It's going to be our third annual Open House event. Now, if any of you guys have attended our past couple of open houses, you know it's fun for everyone. We have free gifts, free food, prizes, games, Dyno shootout. That's the star of the show, the Dyno shootout, and much more shop tours, meet and greets. For those of you that I can't imagine why would want to converse with Kevin and I, we love talking to everyone that shows up. So do meet and greets, Q&As, all that good.
And another thing is on the Dyno shootout, a lot of people know their bike's not going to win the shootout. Everybody can get their bike, two-wheel bike, on the Dyno for free, just to know where their bike is, even if you don't think you have a chance of actually winning.
Oh yeah, just a free
shootout.
Dyno run with that
Free
data, priceless.
Yeah. And then the other thing is that we're going to do is we want to do some interviews. So those of you who show up who want to be on a YouTube video, have something, interesting riding experience or trip experience or a product that you put on your bike that you really like, we're going to be doing videos, shooting interviews there. So it's going to be a lot of fun. Our first open house, we didn't have any game. Last open house, we had one game. We're going to have at least 4 different games. And we're going to have games for mostly two-wheelers. We're going to have a couple games for the trikes, too.
Yeah. Like Slow Race was one of our popular games last time.
Well, we can't do a slow race on a trike.
So, we had Slow Race last time. We have a lot of games lined up for this time. We're in a very rural area in North Mississippi, as a lot of you know. We're going to have directions to the shop, to our facility. And I'll pull up right here exactly where we're located. We're in North Mississippi, very rural area, about 40 to 60 miles south of Memphis, Tennessee. Last year we had people from Jersey, from Texas, from out west. I think we even had someone from Oregon and Kansas. So, and it's not necessarily a short ride, but it's a very scenic, enjoyable ride out. And we'd love to have each and every one of you out here if you can make it. And that's going to be on May 20th. So mark the date, put it on your calendar, take off work, whatever you got to do. If you have questions about accommodations, if you're coming from out of town, you want to find somewhere to stay, we can provide that information. Shoot us an email to support@DK Custom Products, or give me a call at the office. We can give you some suggestions on the best places in the area to stay, to dine, to have fun, whatever it may be.
We hope to see you all there, May 20th, 2023. Open house, free Dyno runs, biker games, food. We're even working on trying to get a band. That's not guaranteed, but we're trying to get a band. So we have some live music.
That's right.
We hope to see you there.
If you guys have any questions at all, or we already said all this shit. Y'all run safe out there.